Hey Jay Will back with another video. A bunch of people been asking me to explain this postcard thing I've been doing for the past month. They've been sending me with a stack of postcards, mailing them off every day, making money. So I'm explaining y'all in this video what this means. How all this work. It costs $50 to sign up. Once you sign up, you will get 200 postcards and 200 labels with people's names and addresses to send the postcards to. Once they sign up, you get a $25 commission. Once they upgrade, depending on what level you on, right now I'm currently on level 3. So I get $700 per upgrade. And the whole postcard explains the whole program. They send you everything, but you have to buy your own stamps. You have to buy postcard stamps. I got 5 rows, 500 stamps. Postcard stamps is very important. Must be postcard stamps to mail these postcards off. Most people promote this just by the postcards. Me, I do social media promotion, postcard promotion, and I got something right here called a drop card. How a drop card works like this. You got a folded $100 bill. Let's say you drop this somewhere in Walmart somewhere. Somebody gonna see this. When they look, they gonna pick it up, think it's a $100 bill. When you open it up, it has the mailbox opportunity on the back of it. So they can check it out, go to the website, they can text your phone, whatever, email you to sign up on your for your postcard business. So that's one way to promote it too. So pretty much everybody get a ID number. My ID number is 1866. That's how they know how to pay you. You know, you just mail them off. People sign up, put their name, address, city, whatever, mail them to JD Marketing. And that's how you pretty much get paid. And like I said, the back of the postcard explains everything about the program. Your first batch will be 200 postcards and 200 labels. So what I'm going to leave in the description below, I'm going to leave my phone number. You can text me. I'm going to leave my Facebook. You can add me on Facebook. And I'm going to leave the website. You can go to sign up if you're ready to sign up today. Also, I'm going to put up an older video. I'm going to add it to this video my payment proof, showing myself proof that I got paid from this program. So y'all can see, no, it ain't no scam or none of that. So, one more. Get it.
So that's how it works. So you got paid to like do that.
No.
Yeah.
Let's go. More money right here, easy. More packages, cuz. More cards, this one. No names.
Tell you, I have a close friend who's a real estate developer.
They go just grab that thing out the mail. But yeah, in the meanwhile, just like, subscribe, comment. Y'all hit me up.